There's Guanshan Nature Reserve in China. With high mountains, dense forests and few people pass by, where is home for more than 2,300 kinds of wild animals together. The staff of the reserve are collecting infrared cameras placed in the forest. This work is repeated every 3 months. But what animals infrared camera can catch depend on luck. Fortunately, in the 2 infrared cameras collecting today, we saw the world's endangered species Syrmaticus ellioti, 1 male and 1 female, which are rarely foraging in the same scene. In summer, wild animals are very active. A silver pheasant is vibrating its wings for mate. Another silver pheasant react to vibrating and soon they become spouse. The simple-minded crab-eating mongoose catches a toad and eats it happily. 4 wild boar babies ran past the camera with their mother. The solitary hog badger and the paired civet are foraging in the same forest. The macaque families are eating the tender and green branches and leaves in the morning mist. The blue whistling thrush and red-billed blue magpie add a bright color for the forest. The infrared camera placed in the forest can quietly get along with animals and record the living habits of the animals. Through the analysis and research of animal experts, these images will provide better plans for the reserve to protect wild animals.